All right, so today we are talking about my go-to summer outfits. These are things that I throw on when I don't really have anything else to wear, and it couldn't be more essential to have 5 or 6 outfits that are your go-tos, things that you can count on. Being into sneakers is cool, but what you wear with that is equally as important, at least to me. And chances are, if you're subscribed here, that's important to you as well. Maybe I can show you a few things that I rock that work for me. They might work for you too. They might not. If all else fails, I at least hope that this video can provide some entertainment for you and you can escape everything else that is going on in your life and you can hang with your boy for about 10 minutes here. So let's get into these outfits. First up is the one I'm wearing, obviously. This is the essential go-to for me. This is number one. You have to have this combo in your closet available. I'd imagine a lot of you do, but if you don't, you're looking at it, man. We have a black and white outfit pretty much, but of course, details are where it's at. I've got a Carhartt pocket tee. I have so many Carhartt pocket tees. If you do not have one, I can't recommend them enough. This one I'm wearing is the relaxed fit version, and Carhartt's a little bit weird the way they describe their t-shirts. Relaxed actually means it's a little bit more slim than the original fit. I don't know. I didn't make up the rules, just sharing it with you. For the shorts, I've got my own. These are from my Win 4th of July collection. Both of these items are a mid to heavyweight cotton. That's my preference. We'll touch on it a little bit more. And then of course, we've got some white sneakers and white socks. My go-to, you know the deal. High cut crew socks. Get comfortable with them because that's all I wear. We've got some Jordan 4s on and then a white Nike hat. Now, this outfit lets you wear any sneakers that you want that are white. I threw on these Jordan 4s because I felt like wearing them. It had been a while. Also, a black tee lets any chain you're wearing stand out, so you can accessorize this outfit pretty much any way you want. All right, so that last outfit, that's what I wear when I'm running errands or I don't know where the day is gonna bring me and I just wanna throw something on. This outfit is more of a menswear look and the polo I'm wearing is directing it. It's just an off-white with navy stripes. I absolutely love this polo shirt. It's from J. Crew. J. Crew, that's my go-to for menswear stuff. It's also where the shorts are from. These are the J. Crew Dock shorts with 6-inch inseams. This one's important, for me at least. When I'm wearing a polo, check. Menswear. And I can do anything else I want from there. So I typically try to make the polo a little bit more edgy, a little bit more casual. With that said, I'm rocking a fitted hat and some sneakers. I'm not in boat shoes. I'm not in loafers. These are the Ame Leondor 550s, and obviously I'm wearing high cut white socks. If you like these outfits and you don't like the hat or you don't like the socks, just go without them. For me, it's kind of my go-to look and I enjoy what they add to an outfit. As far as the buttons go, I've got the top one unbuttoned. Some days I feel like button it all the way up. Other days I'll unbutton all of them and just let the lettuce flow. I'm Italian, bro. You never know what you're gonna get from us as far as the lettuce goes. It might be peeking out the top like a gopher peeking out of its hole, or it might be well trimmed like a nice clean cut lawn. You never know what to expect from us. You gotta keep the people on the edge of their seats. Okay, so this is definitely the funnest outfit on this list. And you may be looking at it like, okay, dude, that is a teal jersey. How is that a go-to? Hear me out. If it's too hot for the heavyweight t-shirt and the midweight is questionable, I will go with a jersey. I typically don't wear super thin, lightweight t-shirts. I go with the jersey instead. It's more breathable and it's more fun. And if you're like me, I've been outside a lot this summer. So there's been a lot of barbecues that I've been invited to, the beach, stuff like that. Jerseys are an absolute go-to and it's a nice way to add a retro style to your outfit. There is nothing more retro than a vintage champion jersey. So I've got a classic Alonzo Mourning Charlotte Hornets jersey on right here, and then I've got my turbo green Jordan 1s to go with it. The shorts are black mesh and they're actually a Win sample. I never did these. I created them a couple of years ago and I didn't like the quality, so I never put them out there, but I've got my sample, so I still wear them here and there. Anybody can wear these jerseys. There are plenty of extended sizes, and if you were a fan or are a fan of the NBA, you definitely got to get one of these into rotation. Okay, next up, this is another go-to for me. Starting off with the shoes, we got the New Balance 2002 R. Now this is my first and only pair of these, and you guys were hyped on them. You're like, you gotta get a pair of them. You were right. These are money, super comfortable, and this colorway, I got them and I was like, okay, they're gonna go with a lot, but they don't look like they will. I got these pants from Everlane. They're a swishy wind pant. This bottom set I've been wearing a lot and then just switching up the t-shirt. This time I'm going with a pigment dyed uncivilized t-shirt. That's from Mr. Fomer Simpson and Young Buckets. Uncivilized is their brand. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar. I'm all about supporting friends. There's so many no-name brands just popping up on Instagram. I look at them, I'm like, I can't tell the difference between these two, who's behind them. There's no faces associated with the brand. People are just trying to do money grabs right now. And I look past all that BS by supporting people that I know the face behind the brand. Okay, so something I've been doing on Fridays in the winter and the summer is kind of adding a theme to things. So fall and winter, I've been doing flannel Fridays, and then spring and summer, I do floral Fridays. So that's just something I do personally. It's corny, yes it is. But guess what? I can be corny here and there. I like these patterns because they stand out and you can play off the colors. So literally every Friday, you'll see me wearing a polo like this. I miss some Fridays here and there. And then when you have something colorful, you can do whatever you want with the shoes. So playing off this mint color, I got on some Air Max 90s. And then for the shorts, they're from PacSun. They're mesh. They were $20. I begged you guys to buy these when they dropped over 2 years ago. 20 bucks. I still wear them. They're the best $20 I've ever spent. They've held up well. Let's keep it rolling. All right, so this one is super easy, basic and straightforward. I'm gonna be really quick with it, just gotta make one point. A lot of times during the summer, you see these colorful khaki shorts. And a lot of preppy people wear them, and there's nothing wrong with being preppy. It's just not my style per se. So if I'm gonna wear shorts that do look a little bit preppy and are colorful, I will mute the rest of my outfit. As you can see, I've got a basic gray crew neck here, and even though it's hot during the summer, in the morning or at night, you can definitely throw on a sweatshirt where I'm at, and then I have some New Balance 990s on. This crew neck sweatshirt I thrifted, and that brings me into our next outfit. All right, and then last up, we got an outfit theme that I've been going to all summer long, and that is an Olympic theme. You've seen me in all sorts of vintage Olympic gear. The t-shirt is a Team USA American soccer shirt, and then naturally I've got some Umbros to go with them. These were from my fall collection last year. Definitely gonna have more Umbros on the way. And then going with some Olympic Jordan 7s, a Nationals fitted cap with gray under the brim. This whole outfit just screams the 90s, and I totally dig it. I honestly feel like Corey Matthews from Boy Meets World right now. Straight up vibe. Let me know if you guys have been dressing similar this summer or some of your go-to outfits. Hit the comment section, let us know. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you're new, follow my Instagram. Be safe out there. Catch you guys next time. Peace.